So I've been making these ceramic bud vases, and now that I've thrown them and let them dry overnight, it's time to flip them over and they're ready for trimming. And I'm able to get these to stick back onto the wheel just using water. So I wet the rim of the pot and then I top center it and then I apply a bit of downward force and it kind of applies like a suction cup. And now that I have access to the underside of the pot, I go in with this trimming tool and start removing any excess clay and cutting a foot into the bottom. So I make a mark where I want the foot to start and then I bring that into the center and then I go in with the flat edge of the trimming tool and smooth everything out. Then I use this sharp metal rib tool to polish the bottom and the sides of the pot before popping it off the wheel. And then the final step is to stamp my name on the bottom, and then I can just clean off the wheel and just get started on the next one. Once I get going on these, the process basically just becomes mechanical. And I really try not to spend more than about 2 minutes per pot on this, because the longer I spend messing around with them, I have a tendency to accidentally do too much and then destroy them. I usually find that these pots that are slightly larger are easier to attach onto the wheel because the force of the suction seems to be stronger. They're also just easier to work with because I don't have to be quite so precise like I am with the tiny ones. Like, it doesn't feel like I'm literally doing surgery on the thing. Now I'll just leave these out until they're bone dry, and then they're going to go into the kiln for bisque firing, and then they're ready for glazing.